Hi! In front of me is BLACKVIEW A70, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications from apps of your choosing on this device. You need to begin by opening Settings and choosing Apps and Notifications. Then tap on Notifications section over here and scroll down. Now tap on See All from last 7 days and click on Most Recent. Over here select one of those options. Most Recent, Most Frequent are turned off. I will go with Most Frequent. Then you can finally select an app from which you want to disable notifications from, like Gmail. Now when I click on the switcher next to it, all notifications from Gmail are now disabled. In order to enable them, just click on the same switcher. But you can always just tap on one of your apps and manage notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!